If you fly with a Stratus ADS-B receiver and notice the battery is no longer holding a charge, it may be time to replace it. Please consult Aperio support to ensure the replacement battery kit is the right option. Stratus battery replacement kits are available at aperio.com/store and also at sporties.com/pilotshop. The kit includes a bottom enclosure assembly with a new battery, T7 Torx screwdriver, replacement self-adhesive product label, and installation instructions. To replace your Stratus portable receiver battery, let's start by locating the 4 screws on the rear of the unit. 2 screws are located at the bottom of the unit. The other 2 screws are located behind the label, and it is suggested to peel the label rather than puncturing. Do not throw this away yet. You will want to retain the SSID tag and place it over the replacement label once you finish the installation. Be sure to place the screws somewhere you can find them. Remove the entire bottom assembly. Using the supplied bottom assembly, complete with battery, replace the old assembly. Place the screws back into the rear enclosure and tighten. To locate the correct label for your Stratus receiver, match it to the label on the old battery enclosure. Once you have the correct label, replace it on your receiver, covering the top 2 screws. Remove the SSID tag from the old label and affix it to the new label. Be sure to properly dispose of your old batteries. They can be recycled at recycling centers, hazardous waste locations, and electronic retailers such as Batteries Plus and Best Buy. Under no circumstances should you puncture a lithium-ion battery. If you have any additional questions about your Stratus ADS-B receiver, please contact us at aperio.com/support or by email at support@aperio.com.